Hello dear students, welcome to DAV Mohel Public School. Today we will study about practical uses of mirror, the last concept of this chapter. So let's begin. First we will see uses of plane mirror. Where are plane mirrors used? Earlier we have discussed this, so we will simply recall this. Plane mirror we have studied, image formation also we have studied. Now where are plane mirrors used? The foremost thing is it is used for dressing up, for combining of hairs, combing of hairs, etc. Plane mirrors plays a very vital role. In kaleidoscope, it also plays a vital role, and this is periscope. As you can see, as you can see in this picture, is brushing her teeth, so she requires plane mirror for it. So hence, plane mirror is playing a vital role. With plane mirror, we can even see our faces and etc. Now kaleidoscope. Earlier, this is a kaleidoscope. Earlier we have discussed its mechanism also a little bit. Kaleidoscope, it requires a 3 plane mirror, first one, second one, and third one. And inside as you can see, in order to get a color texture, a broken bangles are used. This sort of texture is made. Cardboard is there. Inside that cardboard, 3 plane mirror, which is in the form of pyramid, is inserted. After making that structure, a broken bangles are inserted, and it is tightly packed in such a manner that from one source light is there, and the other hole a person can view different varieties of color. And if we shake that particular kaleidoscope, different color can be obtained. That color specific pattern, and that pattern would not be repeated the next time. This is kaleidoscope. The other application, that is periscope. Again, we have seen this periscope. This periscope plays a very vital role, and this periscope are being used by soldiers in order to see hidden thieves and all. Now this is the working of periscope. This person can see an object which is not there in direct line of contact. As you can see, this person direct line of contact is over here. Now mirror is placed at an angle of 45 degree. One mirror is there, another mirror is also there, another plane mirror which is placed at an angle of 45 degree, and from this line of sight, from this line of sight, person can see with this particular angle. The person can see this thing mainly because of plane mirror. And this sort of arrangement is termed as periscope. Now let us see different uses of concave mirror. Earlier we have studied concave mirror. So where are the concave mirror used? So the foremost uses are concave mirror are used in torches. As you can see, this is a torches as a reflector and spread light over long distance. As mirror is residing in this torch, concave mirror is there, and with that concave mirror, light can travel a larger distance, for which a concave mirror are used. The other applications, they are used by dentists to see back part of teeth. As you can see, this concave mirror is there. So in order to see back portion of this teeth, dentist use this concave mirror, from which the dentist can view the back portion of the teeth. The same thing, the ENT doctors means ears, nose and teeth doctors use head mirrors. ENT, abbreviation for ENT is ears, nose and teeth. These doctors basically use head mirrors. As you can see, this is a person as a doctor, ENT doctor. He is wearing a band. In that band, he is carrying a concave mirror so that he can cure the opposite person. Now, the other application of concave mirror, that is ophthalmoscope. What is this? Ophthalmoscope is an instrument which is mainly used for inspecting retinas. Retina, it is it is there in our eyeball. Whatever defects we have, through the help of ophthalmoscope, one can detect. It is fitted with concave mirror having a small hole near its center. As you can see, this lady is carrying an ophthalmoscope from which he can view the defects in her retina, this lady's retina, with the help of an instrument. This instrument is basically consist of concave mirror. Now another uses, they are uses in shaving mirrors and car headlight. This mirror, this spherical mirrors are there. A concave mirror is there from which person can shave and do any stuffs, and even in car headlights concave mirrors are used. So these are certain applications of concave mirror. Now let us see certain applications of convex mirror. Convex mirrors, as you can see, it is in a rear view mirror in motor vehicles and all. This mirrors are inserted in such a way that behind the vehicle which is residing behind can be viewed with the help of rear view mirror. This mirror, it is nothing but a convex mirror. And even magnifying glasses, it is made up of convex mirror from which one can see magnified image. It is used as a reflector in street light. As you can see, street light is there. In order to travel this street light at a very wider distance, convex mirrors are used. And even in telescopes and all, astronomers use convex mirrors to see celestial objects. So these were certain uses of convex mirror. I hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.